Every planet in the solar system has something unique about it. One of these planets is Jupiter. Jupiter is the fifth planet away from the Sun. It's about 476 million miles away from the Sun, or 3 times further away than Mars. Jupiter is the largest and most massive planet. It has a mass of 1,898,000,000,000 metric tons, making it 2.5 times more massive than every other planet in the solar system. Jupiter is big enough and bright enough to be seen from Earth with the naked eye. Whoa. Is that Jupiter? Jupiter was named after the king of the Roman gods. Only Earth wasn't named after a god. Do you hate school or work? If so, you should move to Jupiter because approximately a day on Jupiter is 10 hours long. This makes it the fastest rotating planet in the solar system. Do you want to feel young again? A year on Jupiter is 11.9 years long. Jupiter has a thick atmosphere made up of hydrogen and helium. Jupiter's average surface temperature is negative 234 degrees Fahrenheit. That's a 295 degree difference compared to Earth's 61 degrees Fahrenheit surface temperature. Jupiter is a gas giant. It has helium, hydrogen, icy clouds, liquid hydrogen in the middle, a liquid metallic hydrogen near the center, and an iron and rock core. Jupiter has white, beige, light orange, and orange lines. It also has a red dot, which is a hurricane that's been going on for 200 years, and it's thought that this hurricane will go on for much, much longer. Jupiter also has very, very faint rings around it, discovered in 1979. Jupiter has 79 moons, but there are only 4 main ones: Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto. These are known as the Galilean moons. Now, these are the main moons that you would have to visit, since Jupiter is a gas giant, and you can't stand on a gas giant because you would just go right through. Now, some of you Ooga Booga Caveman Monkey Brain will say that you will freeze, be squished, choke on the atmosphere, and burn and drown on Jupiter. But tons of people have gone here. Just look at this list. 9 spacecraft have visited Jupiter, including the New Horizons spacecraft, which used Jupiter's gravity to launch itself towards the Kuiper belt. Jupiter is also massive enough to fit 1,300 Earths inside of it. So, clearly you should come down to Jupiter today.